Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about active cell balancing to balance 5 cells and 10 cells. Here is the model of balancing 5 cells and here is the MATLAB Simulink model to balance 10 cells. Now I will run this model. This both model I will run and I will share with you end results. Okay, first we will see about how to balance 5 cells. This video will be just introduction. If you want to download these files, if you want to download this file and this file, then I will add link in description below. You can go and download. Okay, let's come back to topic. First we will see about 5 cell balancing. Here I am using active cell balancing using flyback transformer technique to balance 5 cells. Here is the transformer and here I am using 5 diodes and 5 capacitors. The capacitor will act as a cell and here is the voltage measurement which will measure the voltage across cell. The initial voltage of cell 1 is 6 as you can see in display and the initial voltage of cell 2 is 8. Initial voltage of cell 3 is 10. Initial voltage of cell 4 is 4. Initial voltage of cell 5 is 14. When I run this model, the voltage across each cell will be equal to average cell voltage. Okay, let's run this model. I will set time to 600 seconds. Now I will run this model. You can observe the voltage values in these displays. Here you can see the voltage. After few seconds, the voltage across each cell will be equal. And here is the MATLAB function. Inside function there is a code which will compare voltage of each cell and take necessary actions. Okay, you can download this file if you want to analyze more. After few seconds the voltage will be equal. Now we will come to 10 cell balancing. Here is the design of 10 cell balancing. Here also I am using active cell balancing using flyback transformer. Here is the transformer and here I am using 10 diodes, 10 capacitors. The capacitor will act as a cell. Okay, now you can see. First we will see the initial voltage of each cell. Guys, now you can see the initial voltage of cell 1 is 2, the initial voltage of cell 2 is 4 and the initial voltage of cell 3 is 6, initial voltage of cell 4 is 8, initial voltage of cell 5 is 10, initial voltage of cell 6 is 12 and initial voltage of cell 7 is 14, initial voltage of cell 8 is 16, initial voltage of cell 9 is 18, initial voltage of cell 10 is 20. Now I will run this model. After running, the voltage across each cell will become equal. And here is the MATLAB function. You can see values of voltage in this display. Sorry, first I need to set time. I will keep infinity. Now you can see the voltage values. Cell 1 voltage will increase, okay, because it was low. It was 2 volt. We will wait for few seconds until first 3 cell voltage will become equal. You can see voltage values in these displays. Guys, now you can see the cell 1 and cell 2 voltage is equal. Okay, 5.8, 5.9. After few seconds the cell 3 voltage will be equal to cell 1 and cell 2. You can see now. And now cell 4 voltage is also becoming equal to cell 3, cell 2 and cell 1 voltage. Okay, this was about how to balance 10 cells. Now we will come back to 5 cells. Here you can see the voltage of cell 1, cell 2, cell 3 and cell 4 is almost equal. After a few seconds all cell voltage will be equal. In 10 cells, you can see the voltage of cell 1, cell 2 and cell 3, cell 4 is equal to 7.6. Well guys, it will take few seconds. If you want to download this file, then I will add link in description below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.